So I got this question, which is quantitative reasoning, and somebody asked me to help, find solution to this. And the first thing I said to the person, I said, when you have a question like this, always look at it, in a way of how a mathematician will look at it. Okay, so most time when I have a quantitative reasoning like this, I always try to put them into algebra. So if you look at this that was given a sample, it's more like we have 3, we have another 3 here and 3, then we have 27 here. So what this means is that if 3 into 27, I'm going to get 9. It means 3 times 3 will be 9. So there's a point here that is 9 is common between these two and these two. So what I'm trying to say is that if I have 27 all over 3 will give me 3 times 3. They are equal. Okay, so 27 all over 3 is the same thing as 3 times 3. So these two and these two, they are the same thing. Okay, so if you look at the other one, which is 125 all over 5, is the same thing as 5 times 5. So you see, when 3 go into 27, we're going to have 9. 3 times 3 is 9. Then the question here is we should find this missing one. Okay, so you can see from what I just said, so let this one be x. If this is x, that means x is here. Then all over, we look at this one, this is 2 here, then equals to, what it's telling us is that if I multiply 3 times 15, I should be able to get this. So all I need to do is to make this all over 1, then equal to, I will not say 3 times 15, that will give me 45. Okay, then over 1. Okay, so I'm coming here, I'll say x all over 2 is equal to 45 over 1. Then I just need to cross multiply. So if I cross multiply, I will get, that is, x will now be equal to 2 times 45, which is x equal to 90. So you can see if I put 90 here, I divide it by 2, I will get what I'm going to multiply 3 and 15, which is 45. That's what I'm going to get. So the same thing, if I'm going to do this other one, which is 90 here, then here we don't know, question mark is here. Then of course I have 9 and 4. So I think the question is supposed to be 9 and 40. Sorry, 9 and 40. 9 and 40. So this one is the same thing. I'm going to say 90 will be on top. So let me separate them. 90 will be on top all over. Let me use y here. Y. I don't know what is this. Let's call it y. So I have 9 times 40 for these two. So from here, we can find the value of y from what I just did here. So this will make it all over 1. Then this is 90 all over y is equal to, if I multiply 9 times 40, that will give me 360 all over 1. Then the same thing, I cross multiply. If I cross multiply, I'm going to have 90 equals 360 times y. 90 is equal to 360y. So to find y, I have to divide both sides by 360 so that y will stand on its own. 360. So 360 into 360. 360 will cancel 360. So y is left here. So y is equal to 0 will cancel 0. So 9 here 1. 9 into 36, that is 4. So y is 1 over 4. So if I put 1 over 4 here, use it to divide 90, certainly I'm going to get 3 over 360. So if I multiply this, I will get 3 over 60. So that is what it's saying. So if you have quantitative question like this, you can simply use like word problem to find the equation, then you have your answer. All right, so bye for now.